to Broad and James today. Watched a rusted Buick drift the wrong way. The light turned red, but that's just a suggestion in the city of perpetual congestion. 3 cars deep on the left-hand turn, watching the rubber and the patience burn. Since 2020, the rules are gone, just a cardboard plate and the brights left on. Oh, it's the Columbus red, don't you know? If it's been red for a minute, you still gotta go. Safety is optional, the line is a lie. Just a main character passing you by. It's the
Learn how to fucking drive.
Columbus red, what a sight. Treating the stop like a green colored light.
Fucking wrecked, because you don't fucking pay attention.
There's an S to your douche in a lifted truck, weaving through 2-7 like he gives a luck. And a soccer mom on a speaker phone in a 6-ton tank in the hazard
We've talked all year about Will Howard
stop
doesn't
at
need to
the
be
green on
get the ball
Riverside
to
Drive,
these
and
weapons
floor it
on
on
the
red
your
just to
receivers
stay alive.
going into the year.
Blinding me
Learn how
with
to fucking
high beams,
drive.
one blow
Strength
valve.
because
That's what
the offensive line is
Ohio driving's all about. Oh, it's the Columbus red, don't you know? If it's been red for a minute, you still gotta go. Safety is optional, the line is a lie. Just a main character passing you by. It's the Columbus red, what a sight. Treating the stop like a green colored light. I'm sitting on Morse, just counting the cycles. Timed by the gods for a soul-crushing spiral. It stays red forever and blinks for a sec. Just enough time for a 3-vehicle wreck. Oh, it's the Columbus red, don't you know? You still gotta go. Safety is optional, the line is a lie. Just a main character passing you by. Treating the stop like a green color light. And Morse, everyone.
You've arrived at your destination.
It's not a left turn area, you fucking dumbass. Psycho's right. Jesus. What are you doing? Fucking go. Let's fucking go. Oh my god. Go! 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 Fucking retard! Learn how to fucking drive. 2 fucking lanes there.
yards. He replaced him this year. He's got 1,000 yards. He's a Ohio State has been avoiding running back this year because
on quarterback, offensive player in college. Well, I don't know if I want to go that far given how good that we know Tate and Smith are, but in terms
Makes you wish it was Christmas every day.